Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can perform a hard reset of your Sennheiser earbuds. So to do this you have to open the Sennheiser application and select your Sport True Wireless from the list. Then go from the My Device to the settings. And right now select Factory Reset. Click on it once. As you can see, the reset will take around 20 seconds. So let's click OK. And now just wait and do not use your earbuds. Be patient. As you can see, we don't have to place our earbuds into the charging case until the LED starts flashing red and blue. So we have to take a look right here for the earbuds. As you can see, the reset is complete. So when we click, as you can see, right now we don't have this connection anymore, and right now we can simply put them back to the case even when the blinking light is not activated. So put them right here, close the case, and that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.